Hi, welcome to DIY for Beginners by PK. This morning now we're going to do a rim lock on a timber door, as you can see over there. Let's get into it. So here we have the traditional rim lock, okay? So let's open the door set just to show you. You got that, and you got the Yale on the outside. So we'll start off with taking the rim lock off. Okay, so I'll position this by here. So there we are, we've opened the packet. So we've got your rim block there, okay, and you've got the receiver and the back plate for the Yale, okay, your Yale lock, your screws and your key, alright, and your receiver plate at the front. So let's have a little look. Okay, so we'll take this part of the lock off. Oh, change the screwdrivers. Okay. Put the screws safely. Okay. Open the lock, put the latch on. And there you are, pops off, nice and easy. Okay, so put that safe somewhere. Alright. Okay, so now you've got your back plate to the Yale. Okay. Okay, so we'll take the back plate off. Alright, 2 screws on the back plate, which releases the Yale lock at the front, okay. In this particular case. So we'll take these off there. Alright. Open this up here. Hold the lock, stop it dropping out. Take the other receiver screw off the back plate. Okay. So release the back plate and then pull the lock out to the front. Okay. Put that again safely somewhere. Alright. Okay, so we'll take off the receiver on the other side. Alright. Okay, take all the screws out. Alright, to release this there. And we're ready to put the new one on then. Put the new receiver in place. Put the screws in. So put the 3 screws into the receiver, alright, fix that in place, and then we're ready to put the lock on. Okay, so now we're ready for the lock there, so we'll release the 2 screws on the back, alright, so take the 2 off there. Okay, with this one we've got the old original pull plate, okay, so we've got that, put your cover plate there, and push that through, alright. So that's ready. Alright, so we'll push that into place and make sure you've got that, the lock at the bottom. Alright. Okay, so put the 2 screws in the back. Alright, hold the lock the other side. Okay, tighten it both up. Okay, so fix the back plate in position. Make sure you got your screws tightened up tidy. Your top piece of the backing plate is all nice and tidy. Alright, so we're going to put the lock in place now. Okay, the back plate. You got to make sure you got to put into that little slot there. Okay, and then straight onto there. Alright.
It's a phase.
It is. Okay, so we're going to put the screws into position. Alright, like that. Okay. I'll tighten up. Okay. And do the final screw. Okay, nice and tight. Release that. And there we have it, all finished. Alright, so thanks for watching, and if you like it, put a thumbs up and please subscribe. Alright, thanks so much. See you again, yeah? Thanks, bye. The backing plate is all nice and tidy. Alright, so we're going to put the lock in place now. Okay, the back plate. You got to make sure you got to put into that little slot there. Okay, and then straight onto there. Alright.
It's a phase.
It is. Okay, so we're going to put the screws into position. Alright, like that. Okay. I'll tighten up. Okay. And do the final screw. Okay, nice and tight. Release that. And there we have it, all finished. Alright, so thanks for watching, and if you like it, put a thumbs up and please subscribe. Alright, thanks so much. See you again, yeah? Thanks, bye.